Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. I want to go take a little cruise on the Lincoln, and I'll take you along with me. Oh man, the battery is dead. Oh. Okay, let's give it a jump start. Oh man, I just saw the tires flat too. Haven't drove this in a few days. I guess I have a leaky tire. Well, let's see if this will take care of it. Okay. $4,000 amps. Should be plenty to jump start this dead battery. Okay, plug this in. Okay, the light is green. Let's go give it a start. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, now you can see low tire pressure. Of course, the front tire is flat. Okay. Got a nice rubber grip. I mean, you can see the tire is completely flat. Let's see what this bad boy can do. On push mode, we're gonna do 34. There it goes. Starting to pump it. I'm gonna let this pump, and then we'll come back when it's fully going. We'll wait till the tire pumps up and we'll go on a little cruise. Let's see what's in the box. This was sent to me by AutoOne, so shout out to Tom Caddy who reached out to me through Instagram, and AutoOne for sending me this unit for unboxing, review, and the functionalities of this jump starter and air compressor, model number JWA1. This is not a paid video or promotion, but AutoOne and Tom were kind enough to send me this unit to show off on the channel and show you how it works. So right as I mentioned, this is a jump starter and it's an air compressor. Now on the channel, I've done just air compressors. I've done just jump starters. So this one should be a special one, as it will combine both. I have come to liking AutoOne. Tom and AutoOne has been sending me LED lights and other products and other things to test and check on the channel. So I do appreciate their collaboration. And they actually have really good products. Okay, here we go. Let's just take everything out of the box. Okay, I do appreciate this carrying case. It's sturdy. It will keep it safe. Everything you need to store the unit. We got a USB to a Type-C charger to charge the thing, to charge the air compressor. We got a hose, got the jumper cables, and got all the connections, or all the nozzles for air mattresses, ball, bike, motorcycle, and a couple of other ones. Do have the quick guide or the instruction manual, and it just tells you how to use it. Let's take a look what's in here. Okay, this is actually a pretty cool design. Definitely a bigger unit than most. Here's my iPhone 13 for comparison. As you can see. But so this, straight off their AutoOne specs about this, it's an amperage or 4,000 amps to jumpstart your battery. It is capable or suitable to start a 10-liter gas engine or an 8-liter diesel engine. Battery capacity is 20,800 milliamp hours, 12 volts. Air compressor pressure up to 150 psi. It does have a power bank with a lithium polymer battery. It could be -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit operating temperature. It's got a charging USB port and the Type-C output for charging, and it's about 2.2 pounds, and the flashlight on here 400 lumens. So we're just gonna power it on and just take a look at it. So we got 3 bars right out of the box for charging. Flashlight, blinker, and just another. All right guys, finally the light check on this compressor and jump starter. 400 lumens. Let's go. It's powered on. Complete darkness in here. Not bad, not bad. Here we go, ready? Darkness, complete darkness. This is actually really good lighting. Definitely lights up if you're doing tires, jump starting, whatever you gotta do. It's got the SOS and just the blinker. 3 modes on that flashlight. Then we got car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and balls mode. Push and hold. And cool. On the side here, we've got the port to plug in the jumper cables. Like so. When it is correctly connected and to the battery, the light will go on green. Then you would connect these to the battery. And right here we've got a USB and a Type-C. And that's it. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's go for a ride. Yeah, let's just go on a little cruise. I gotta get some gas. Take you along for the ride. This car is filthy. I do need to get a car wash. I'm not gonna bother washing it at home. The hose might be even frozen. I'll include all the links for this unit where you can get it. I believe there is a coupon on Amazon, maybe even through the AutoOne store. Pick up one of these little units and you'll be set for the winter or for any other time you feel like you need to jump start your car or any other battery powered vehicle. Good, how are you? Let me get 45 regular. Thank you. Thanks AutoOne, Tom, for sending me this unit to try out and test on the channel. See you guys in the next one.